Hi everybody. Let's look at how we can set up Docker. We're going to use Kali Linux in a VirtualBox virtual machine to do that. Any Linux distribution will work just fine. So how does a Docker work? It's kind of like a container for a program, in this case a Python program, that can run on any computer that has Docker installed. It makes the application isolated, independent, and portable. Well, the first thing you want to do is, of course, update your package manager. Make sure that your Linux knows everything it needs to know about what's up to date. And everything's up to date on my distribution because I just updated it yesterday. Well, the next thing to do is we're going to install Docker. The -y says, keep going. I don't want to have to answer questions. So we're going to do sudo apt install -y to say yes, Docker. And it will go on its own. Everything is all set up and ready to go with apt. That's the command it takes to install Docker on a Debian-based Linux, which is Kali Linux is. So we're going to use the system CTL, which is like the system CTL manages all the background services, or in the Linux world, daemons, things that run in the background. So the first thing we're going to do is start the Docker service, which apparently it started. Then we're going to enable it so it starts automatically whenever we boot up our Linux machine. So then we enable. And there it is. It's now enabled. Now let's verify that we actually have it. So let's do Docker -- version, which will tell us the version of Docker we have installed. And yep, there it is, 26 point whatever. The last thing to do is test the built-in Hello World container. So sudo docker run gloo-world. In this case, it downloaded a new Docker image because the other Hello World Docker image was out of date apparently. So if I run it again, there it is, hello from Docker. We have everything's working, everybody's happy, everything is good. Well, this is great. However, we want to actually create our own Docker program. So we're going to create our own Hello Docker. This is going to be our folder that we're going to put our Docker in, our Docker image. Change directory. There we are. Now we're going to create a little Python script. I'm going to use Nano, or you can use an existing program. I'm just going to keep this very simple. We want it to be named app.py. That's the default program that Docker will run. And we're going to print our own hello. Hello, Docker. Let's capitalize. Let's capitalize that. There we go. And a parenthesis. Oh, Docker. There. Save that guy. Control S. Control X to exit. Well, that's the application we're going to run. Now we need to create a Docker file. So we create with Nano a file called dockerfile. Now I have a little script in the tutorial that we're going to put in there. I'm going to copy it, paste it. Oh, sorry. I said app.py was the default Python program that runs. That's just the name of our Py file. The command is going to run our Python script app.app. It says we're going to use the official Python image from, and this is the latest one, 3.13.2. Slim means we only get what we need. Here's our working directory, /app. We're going to copy the current contents into here, and we're going to run our program. So the Docker file tells Docker how to do things. Well, we have a couple more things to do yet. We have to build our image. So we have a little command to build the image. Oops. Have to do sudo. There. So it's downloading things. Yep, putting everything in there like it wants. Now we're going to run it, which I don't remember if we need sudo or not. Sudo docker hello. Oh, I did. Docker run hello Docker. There it is. We just ran our Docker container. We have a successful installation. Now you can put anything inside a Docker container that you wish. If we do an LL, there's our Docker file, there's our app. And there's our Docker file inside of our Hello Docker folder. So there's not much to it. Just a Docker file that says, run this guy for me, and that's all there is. Here's your quick introduction to get started with Docker.